Okay, so in the bee barn this evening, we have a beautiful draft cross female here. Hi, honey. She has a sight impairment on her eye on the other side of her head. So she's a bit nervous. She's a good girl. And then we have a very pretty thoroughbred. We're all absolutely starving. And she's here. And then over in this corner, eating his hot dinner, is our standard bred. And he is exceptionally underweight. So we've put a cozy blanket on him. It's a touch big for him, but he's getting tucked into dinner. And he's thoroughly enjoying that. So we'll keep an eye on everybody, and we'll update you as to how they're getting on. There we go. There she is.